This shows the cooperation which is existing between Africa and China, a continuity of the cooperation between African and Chinese workers.
This support and the collaboration continues to have a tremendous impact on Zimbabwe's efforts to fight the pandemic and ensure that all our frontline workers have adequate protection in the course of their duties.
The donation we are receiving today from our all-weather friend China could not have come at a better time than now, when we are all supposed to protect ourselves and others from transmission of this deadly virus.